Welcome to your fourth Python session. And again, this one's about the Python data types. This will be about integers and floats. So let us start off with addition. In the case of strings, it is concatenation, but in here, it's addition. So let's create two variables. Num1 is equal to 250 and num2 is equal to 2.5. That's great. Now let us add num1 and num2. 250 plus 2.5 is 252.5, hence the result. And you can also subtract num1 minus num2. You can also do it the other way around. Here you'll get a negative integer, and you can also multiply them. Num2, that would be 625.0. As you can see here, it's a float, but in reality it could be an integer too, so we can change that later. Division num1 by num2 is 100.0. A note is that whenever you're doing an operation with a float, whether there's only one integer and one float, even then you would have your result as a float, though you could convert it to an integer. Now what if you wanted to divide it but only find the integer part of the quotient? You can easily do this by putting another slash, since the number would since either way there was no decimal part, we got the exact same result. But if we do it the other way around, there you see that it's 0.01. But if we do double slash, we just got 0.0, since it removed all the decimal places and left only the integer places. You can also round off a number. So let us say num3 is equal to num1 plus num2. Now num3 will be 252.5, right? Yes. Now what if we wanted to round it off so that we only have the integer part? So in such a case you would say round, and in there you would put the number you want to round off. There you see it removed the decimal places for good. You can also find the remainder when you're dividing this way. So let's say num1 percentage sign num2. As you can see here, it would return the remainder. But since there would be no remainder, let's try it with a different number. Let's say 343. Our remainder would be 250 in such a case. That finishes all the methods for lists and tuples in Python. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.